Hi beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this ring holder and this incense holder. These are so easy and they're so fun to make, so I'm going to show you how to make them right now. So of course you will need some clay. I got this kid's clay. It's really easy to work with and I don't have to bake it in an oven. It's air drying, which is really nice because I am really bad with kitchen supplies. So for the ring holder, you want to grab a big chunk of clay and roll it in your hands until you get something that looks kind of like a finger. And you want to cut the little end piece off so it can stand on its own. I'm just using some water to smooth out the edges, and this is what it looks like. For the incense holder, I kind of got inspired by those Ouija thingies. I don't do Ouija, I don't recommend doing it because it is not something you want to play around with, but I thought it would be cute as an incense holder. So you just want to cut out a little heart. And I'm again smoothing out the edges with some water. When it's all smooth, it should look something like this. To make the little part where the incense would stand on, I'm making a little circle. Normally with a Ouija, this would be the part where you can see the letters through, but I thought this would be a cute idea for like an incense holder. I don't know if this has been done before, but I thought it would be a cute idea. And when I was all done, I just let that dry for exactly 24 hours. The package said 10 hours, but I wanted to play it safe, so the next day I could start painting. So for the ring holder, I'm just gonna go for some gold paint and I'm mixing that with some paint thinner so it's easier to paint. I wanted to go for a really boho look, and you know I have to include moons in everything that I make. So I'm making a moon cycle. I'm just going off like patterns and things I see on Pinterest. And this is what the final result looks like. I feel like if you didn't know, you couldn't even tell that this was handmade. I think it turned out really, really pretty, and this would be an awesome gift or something to make for a friend. For the incense holder, I'm going with a pastel pink. Usually I would use like black to make it more mysterious, but I thought this could be cute and mysterious at the same time. And here is the final result. I am so happy with these. I use this incense holder like on a daily basis, and I feel like it's such a unique idea. You could definitely give your own personal twist to these. If you happen to recreate this, definitely tag me on Instagram. I would love to see what you do with this DIY. I know everyone is kind of bored right now during quarantine, and that's kind of been my motivation to upload more, because maybe this video might have just taken your mind off of things for like 5 minutes, or maybe sparked some inspiration to do some crafty things. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye!